How to speed up slow internet in Android mobile by changing DNS server. Start by opening settings on your Android phone. Scroll down. Now tap connection and sharing option. Locate private DNS setting option and tap to open it. And on this section, you can easily change the DNS or private DNS to specified DNS and then add DNS address. And here you can easily type in dns.adcard.com and tap on the save button. Also, if you have the facility to add the DNS provider of your choice, you can easily enter DNS server hostname. Suppose for the Cloudflare DNS, you can type in 1.1.1.1, and for the Google DNS, you can type in 8.8.8.8 and enter either of this DNS address, and then you can easily tap on the save button. After changing the setting, you can restart the device to apply the changing by holding the power button and swiping towards restart. By following this step, your internet speed should improve by using a faster DNS server. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.